Father PTA. What little movie will you watch today? Such a cliche I became, frequenting theaters every single day, knowing art house cinema won't save you. I'm on the Lulu Wang. Can't put a price on it, but yes you can. And I'm gonna illegally download sometimes, but if I can, I'll buy a ticket for tonight, singing art house cinema won't save you. But it helps to pause the real world and press play on a different world. They say that no one hears you scream out in space. Well, at the pictures no one hears you sob and sob and sob. Please make sure your phone's switched off.